Reading opens up imagination. There's a book for every situation.
Open up a book with me. Everyone, let's learn to read. Let's discover and explore new adventures and much more. Open up a book with me. Everyone, let's learn to read.
Go, go, let's read, go, go, let's read, go, go, let's read, go, go, let's read.
Hello everyone, my name is Gavin. Today I want to tell about my favorite books. My favorite book is Stegosaurus. I like it because it is exciting. I read this book in my class for about 20 minutes. Stegosaurus is the book's main character. The moral value that we have to protect ourselves. Thank you everyone. Hi everyone, my name is Gibran. Today I will talk about my favorite book is Shaw and the Cobra. I like very much because it is good. The character in this book are Shaw and the Cobra. I read at school. Thank you everyone.
Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jenny. I want to review a book about I love my mommy. I chose this book because the story was very interesting. I read this book at night. I read this book for about 30 minutes. The characters in this book are rabbit, monkey, cat, squirrel, dog, bear, and others. This book tells a story of a mommy who loves her child very much. Moral value is that mommy will protect and love her children. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Mikael Alvaro Gabriel. Today I want to tell you about my favorite book. The title of my book is Peter Pan. I like it because it is interesting. I read this book before going to bed. The character in this book is Peter Pan. Peter Pan is brave. He fights Captain Hook. My favorite part of this book is when Peter Pan protects children from Captain Hook. The moral value is to help others and not be easily jealous. Thank you everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Rafael. Today I want to show you my favorite book. The title of this story is The Arrogant Ant. Why I like the book is because it's very interesting. The main characters in this story are the ant and the butterfly. I read this book for 20 minutes. The moral value is that you cannot be arrogant to others. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Drew. Today I want to tell you about my favorite book called Haunted Houses. It is about a boy named Max who was in a field trip with Ned and Norm, who like to bully him. Then they go to the castle's dungeon. Ned and Norm said there was a ghost named Sir Hal, but Sir Hal wasn't scary. So
Max teach Sir how to be scary. I choose this book because it's fun to read and the story is interesting. I read this book in my free time, about 15 minutes. The moral value of this story is to never bully or you will get the consequences. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Hanky. Today I'm gonna talk about my favorite book. My favorite book is the Beowulf story. I like it because it is fun and has 2 languages. I read it 20 minutes a day. The main character is the Beowulf. My favorite part is on page 7. I like it because when the Beowulf goes in the water, he looks to drink water. Thank you everyone for listening and have a nice day. Bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Joshua. I want to tell you about my favorite book. The title of my favorite book is The Adventure of Mouse, Deer, and Crocodile. I read this book only 10 minutes. I like this book because this book is funny, and this my favorite page. My favorite page is the mouse deer jump on the head crocodile, and the moral value is don't be lying. Thank you everybody.
Hello everyone, my name is Marata. I'm from Talenta Primary School, 2B class. Today I want to tell you about my favorite book. The title of my favorite book is My Very First ABC of God's Love Me. I really love this book because it has good story. My favorite page of this book is F section, which is stand for forgiving. I read this book before I go to bed. I finished read this book in 2 hours. This book tells about God's love because He already forgiven everyone on the earth. From this book, I can learn how to forgive everyone. That's all from me. Thank you everyone to listening my story.
Hi everyone, my name is Alvaro. I want to tell you about my favorite book. The book is The Golden Needle. The story is very good. They are 2 friends, a rooster and eagle. The story is about a rooster borrows a needle from eagle, so rooster can fly. But the needle is gone. The eagle is very angry, so never make people angry. Thank you everyone.
My name is Leon. Today I will tell you about my favorite books. Among the Dragon is my favorite books. I like it because the story is very exciting. I read this book before sleeping. The part I like the most is when Banta meets Smong the Dragon. From this story, I can learn about Banta fight to save his village from small dragon attack. Thank you, friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Zia. Today I'm going to tell you about my favorite book,
This is my favorite books, The Clever Deer and the Lion. I like this book because it's interesting and I enjoy reading this book. The character of this book is the deer and the lion. I read this book for 5 minutes a day. My favorite part of this book is when the deer friends meet the king lions. The moral of this book is don't be arrogant because it's not good. Thank you everyone for listening.
Hello everybody, my name is Claire. Today I want to tell you about my favorite book called The Venomous Tailed Stingray. I chose this book because I like the ocean. The main character is Wintry, the stingray. My favorite part is when Wintry plays with his friends. I read this book when I was in school. The moral value is to be grateful to yourself. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy.
Hello everybody, my name is Samuel. I'm from Talenta Primary School, 3A class. Today I will show you my favorite book. My favorite book is Snowy Places. I like this book because it's interesting. I usually read this book at school in the afternoon. I read this book until 1 minute. My favorite part is when I can flip the book and see more than regular books. Thank you everybody for listening my review about my book.
Hello everyone, I'm Grace and today I'm gonna talk about my favorite book. The book's title is The Peculiar Pumpkin Thief. I chose this book because I was interested by it. I usually read this book in school. I don't know how long I read this book because I never thought of saying how long I read this book. My favorite page is where I can see what's inside the clown tower. I like it because I can see what's inside the clown tower. The main character is Geronimo Stilton. The problem that happened is that all of the pumpkins and Halloween decorations were stolen by a mouse named Chuckles. The moral value is to never give up. Thank you, everybody.
Good morning, Miss and friends. My name is Alden. Today, I want to talk about my favorite book. The title of my favorite book is The Magical Snowman. I like this book because it is interesting. The characters in this book are Daddy's Rabbit, Little Rabbit, and Snowman. I read this book for about 2 until 3 minutes a day. My favorite part in this book is when Little Rabbit gets lost and then helps the snowman. The moral value in this book is we need to help the others, never give up, and always try hard. Thank you, Miss and friend, to listening my favorite book. Bye. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Michael. Today I want to talk about my favorite book. This is my favorite book. The name is The Fairy Best of Donald Duck. I like this book because it's funny. And my favorite page is 54 until 55 because Uncle Gobber chased Uncle Donald. The main characters are Uncle Gobber, Uncle Donald, and Uncle Donald's nephew. The moral value is don't be easily jealous. Thank you everyone.
Let's read. When you read, it's
sparks imagination. You could travel to many different places. If there's something that you wanna know, just look in a book and there we go. So sit down and open up a book with me. Come on, everybody, let's learn to read.
Go, go, let's read, go, go, let's read, go, go, let's read, go, go, let's read.
Open up a book with me.
Open it up.
Everyone, let's learn to read. Let's discover and explore new adventures and much more. Open up a book with
Open
me.
up.
Everyone, let's learn to read.